Let's take a look at how we connect voltmeters and ammeters into circuits, because it's not necessarily as obvious as you might think. Our voltmeters measure potential difference, meaning they're going to measure how much energy the electrons have before and after they've reached a certain juncture. So what's important is that we have to measure it across some sort of load. So here we're going to measure it across our light bulb. So you can see that I've already connected one lead on one side of the light bulb. And if I connect the lead to the second side over here, we're going to notice that hopefully you can acknowledge that this is in parallel, meaning that if I remove the voltmeter, nothing's going to happen to my circuit. So if I turn my circuit on, we can see that my voltmeter jumps up right away to about 3 volts. And that makes sense. I've got two brand new 1.5 volt batteries here, so I should get about 3 volts. So again, this is in parallel. So what that means is I should be able to unplug and remove my voltmeter and nothing will happen to my circuit. And that is actually exactly what happens. We can see here that the light is still on and nothing else has been affected. If I turn the switch off, obviously then our circuit breaks. Now how about an ammeter? Because that one's a little bit different. An ammeter is measuring the flow of electrons, the current. So what that means is that it has to be in series with our circuit. So I'm going to remove this part over here and I'm going to introduce my ammeter. So my ammeter is going to be in series, which means I've got to connect it as part of my circuit. So I'm going to connect it one side over here, and I'm going to connect the second side to this part of my circuit. So we can see here that this is in series, okay, and we get about 200 milliamps of current. That's great. So it's in series because it's got to measure like the flow of electrons in my circuit. What it also means is if I break the circuit, as in if I remove my ammeter, remember when I removed my voltmeter, my circuit stayed on. In this case, if I remove my ammeter, my circuit turns off because again, the ammeter is in series, whereas the voltmeter was in parallel.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, get subscribed, leave a comment below, and check out our suggested videos. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates.